Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching, 'cause you feel our cold, a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have this moment before I go? You look like a movie, you sound like a song. But God, this reminds me of when we were young. Case this is the last time we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad, getting old. It made us restless. It's just like a movie, it's just like a song. When we were young, so let me photograph you in this life, in case this is the last time we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad, getting old. It made us restless. It's just like a movie, it's just like a storm. We were young. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So let me tell you something. Now, I'm gonna say this because it's the absolute truth. You make cool cool. I mean, when I say that, you have a way of taking it. By the way, we just discovered you play piano. What else do you do? I mean,
I got some tricks up my sleeve.
You know what I'm saying? But listen, that way of taking us down to a solid viewer's point of view, where you can shrink it down to your voice, your sound. I'm so in love with what you just did.
Thank you, Lionel. You're such a huge inspiration, man, when it comes to that style of music and bringing it out, man. So thank you. It means the world.
I love what you just did.
I love it when you sing like those emotional kind of love sweet songs. That's my favorite because you have this kind of juxtaposed voice sometimes where you have that growl, but it somehow works in this sweet way. But I'm going to be honest, I just got really scared. Everybody's bringing their A game tonight, and it made me very scared about people voting. You people need to vote out there. Vote for your favorites. Don't let them go home. Oh my gosh.
Thunderstorm, your ability to hold the room with like tenderness and to do so many things with your voice. When you first started this thing, I worried a little bit about what you could do vocally because there's always big voices in this competition. But you are amazingly crafty with how you deliver the songs.
Thank you.
And that was by far, that was like my favorite performance you've ever done. It was real. I felt all the emotions. I felt everything. I mean, it was your show just then. You're such a pro, such a pro.
Thank you so much.